Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to disable Instagram profile pixel zoom. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, then go to your profile. Then simply tap on the three dashboard available in the top right corner on your screen. Then scroll down till you find the option Help. Scroll down and tap on the Help option available. After you tap on it, then inside help, tap on the first option report a problem. So as we know, Instagram does not offer a direct option to disable profile pixel zoom. So we can report the issue to Instagram's customer support and provide feedback requesting the option to disable profile pixel zoom. Then tap on the report problem without shaking. Then continue with the report problem process. Then here within the support section, you should find an option to provide feedback or report a problem. Now in the feedback form, describe the issue clearly. Explain that you would like Instagram to provide an option to disable profile pixel zoom and why it's important to you. Then once you have filled out the feedback form, submit it to Instagram's customer support team by tapping on the option send in the top right corner. So that it is. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.